In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel a booking.com reservation. So go to booking.com, and once you're logged in, go to your profile icon or your name in the top right hand corner, and then go to booking and trips. Once you're here, you'll then be able to see all of your bookings and trips and any past or cancelled bookings. Click on the one that you want to cancel. You'll then be able to see the dates, the hotel and the price. Next to the price, you'll be able to see 3 dots. Click on that, then click cancel booking. Here it will give you more information about cancelling, and it will also show you the cancellation policy. Whether you get your money back will depend on the policy when you booked it. For me, I booked a refundable hotel, so you can see it's going to cost me 0 to cancel, and I haven't paid anything for this hotel yet. So I'm going to give them a reason, then we'll click continue. Then you can see any price breakdowns, and you can click on cancel. Just like that, we've now cancelled this booking, and that is all you have to do.